नमस्कार, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Kamla R. Nagar, Professor and Head, Department of Dravaguna, Faculty of Ayurvedic Sciences, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to deliver a lecture for BMS second year on Tulsi. Tulsi or Ocimum sanctum, very religious or holy plant found in mostly or many houses in India. Content of the lecture are: we will learn about Tulsi, Latin name and family, morphology, properties, useful part and doses, and Ayurvedic preparations. Tulsi is an aromatic annual perennial plant you have seen in your houses, a very common plant found in Indian homes. Tulsi is cultivated for religious and traditional medicine purpose and for its essential oil. It is widely used as a herbal tea, commonly used in Ayurveda. It is native to the Indian subcontinent and widespread as a cultivated plant throughout Southeast Asian tropics. Latin name is Ocimum sanctum, family Labiati. Others name are Indian basil, holy basil, sacred basil. Morphological characteristics of Tulsi are: it is an erect, many branches, shrub, 30 to 60 centimeter tall with hairy stems. Leaves are green or purple. They are simple, petioled, with an ovate up to 5 centimeter long blade, which usually has a slightly toothed margin. They are strongly scented and have a decussate phyllotoxy. The pulpilish flowers are placed in close rolls or elongated racemes. Ocimum sanctum have many varieties. Bhav and Raj Nighantu has reference of two varieties. First is Shukla Tulsi or white varieties is Ocimum americanum. Second is Krishna Tulsi or black variety Ocimum sanctum. Other types are also used in the name of holy basil are Ocimum basilicum and Ocimum gratissimum. This is the view of Tulsi, Shweta Tulsi and Sham Tulsi, very commonly found in India. Ayurvedic properties are: ras is katu or pungent, tikt or bitter. Qualities or gun are laghu, lightness, ruksh, dryness, or tiksh or piercing in nature. So it is well used in cough syrups. Vipak is katu, undergoes pungent taste conversion. Virya, ushma in hot potency. Effect on those are vatahar or kafar. Part used and doses are: part to be used leaf, root, seed. Doses are: fresh juice 10 to 20 ml, root decoction is 50 to 100 ml, seed powder is 3 to 6 grams. Pharmacological activity of Tulsi are: it has very good anti-cancer activity, anti-diabetic activity, anti-lipidemic activity, antibacterial activity, anti-fertility activity, mosquito repellent activity, and therapeutic use in eye diseases. Traditional use of Tulsi or Ocimum sanctum is: Tulsi is used for prevention and cure of many illness and everyday ailments like common cold, headache, cough, influenza, earache, fever, colicky pain, sore throat, bronchitis, asthma, hepatic disease, and malarial fever. Flatulence, migraine, headache, fatigue, skin disease, wounds, insomnia, arthritis, digestive disorders, night blindness, and diarrhea. It It is used as an antidote for snake bite and scorpion sting. Leaves are good for nerves and to sharpen memory. Also helpful in inhibiting the growth of HIV and carcinogenic cells. Thank you for your attention. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thanks once again.